19th week of pregnancy, when the brain formation takes place, at the same time, the fingers are formed. And there was a conclusion like a disease called anencephaly, जिसमें brain form नहीं होता है, and उस disease में the fingerprints are also not formed. Fingers are there, but the fingerprints are not formed. And such child with the disease anencephaly can live for maximum 2 to 24 hours. So this was the conclusion that our fingerprints are directly mapped to our brain. Like whatever characteristics we get through the biometric scanner from the fingerprints are completely on the basis of how developed and efficient our brain is. Now to explain in more detail, as you can see, we have five lobes, each with a specific characteristic. Now if you see the upper diagram, we have each finger, with a specific, which maps to a specific lobe. That means each finger has a specific characteristic. Now when we take this on a scanner, percentages come down, and on the combination of that, we decide all the personality and the characteristic, the learning type, the current interest, the likings, disliking, how much is the memory, concentration. Even for special children, what we talk about is slow learners, hyper children, ADD, dyslexic child, even the physical fitness which comes into this picture, that is calcium iron deficiency, stomach-related problem. But then again, this technique talks only about what is there from the birth. That is, जब आप पैदा हुए थे तब आपका brain formation क्या कैसा था, that is only mapped through this. Because when a child is born, his brain is 50% developed. By the age of 6-7 years, his brain is 85% developed, and through middle teens and teens, his brain is completely developed. So what happens at the time of the birth, आपका जो एक base था, what were the basic characteristic of a person, is mapped through this test. What we say is nature and nurture. What we calculate through this test is nature. What are the basic characteristics and the basic platform? What you inculcate by yourself through the years is nurture. That is not calculated through this, but you get to know the basic nature and the basic qualities of the person. Fine? Now moving on to the next aspect of this, that is multiple intelligence. For instance, if there is a table, and if I keep 8 glasses of water on the table, how do I distinguish between the glasses? कि कौन सा क्या है? There is a table, and I keep 8 glasses of water on the table.
How you keep the empty the glasses you are keeping it? I am keeping the water. What time you always say?
I've kept 8 glasses of water on the table.
Okay.
Now how do I distinguish between the glasses of water which are kept?
You don't have to distinguish.
I want to.
Then you can put a number on it.
Level of the water.
Numbers no.
Exactly. The level of the
That's
water.
why I'm asking you that.
No, I want that answer. That's why I again mentioned glasses of water. Right. That
Not
is
that
the
jar of the water.
And so it's
What is the 8 jar?
level of waters.
Okay.
Exactly. So each individual on this earth,
50%, not 100%.
now in this earth, each individual has 8 multiple intelligences. How I distinguish an individual from the other? On the basis of how the intelligences have been developed. If I talk about Lata Mangeshkar, her musical intelligence would be too high. If I consider some scientist, his logical intelligence would be too high. So that is how we distinguish an individual from the other, on the basis of the intelligence which have been developed. Each and every individual has 8 multiple intelligences. Only what makes a person different from other, the characteristics, are the intelligences. And those are mapped through your fingerprints. The test, what it does is, it maps your 8 multiple intelligences which are there through your fingerprints. You can see the fingerprints, they map this 8 multiple intelligences. छोटे बच्चे हैं तो उनसे कैसी बात करनी चाहिए, बड़े उम्र के हैं तो उनसे कैसी बात करनी चाहिए. Those are good speakers and orators. That even includes your linguistic. That is word smart. Very calculative about word. ऐसे जैसे हमें पैसे पढ़ते हैं बोलने के लिए. That is they know कहाँ कैसे किसके सामने कैसी बात करनी, काम निकाल लेना चाहिए. That is called word smart. Now even if they feel bad or something, they won't sit aloof or alone and cry. They would come out and tell. आपका ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. फिर वो आपको अच्छा लगे या वो उसे नहीं पता, बट उसे नहीं अच्छा लगा तो वो आपको आगे बता देगा. Next is body smart. इसमें भी दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक जो सुबह 6 बजे देखो इतनी एनर्जी ज़्यादा होती है, रात के 12 बजे भी देखो बहुत एनर्जी ज़्यादा होती है. ऐसे लोगों को हम कहते हैं कि एक जगह 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा बैठ नहीं सकते. और दूसरे तरह के लोग होते हैं जो काम में जाते हैं तभी एनर्जी होती है, उसके आगे पीछे एनर्जी नहीं होती. जैसे 9 से 6 काम करना है तो तभी ठीक है, अच्छी खासी एनर्जी है. उसके पहले बीबी से सब काम करवाएंगे या बच्चे हैं तो मम्मी पापा से सब काम करवाएंगे. ऐसे तरह के लोग जब घर पर आते हैं तब गिलास भले बाजू में पड़ा है, पर जब तक कोई लाके उन्हें नहीं देता वो पिएंगे भी. पहले प्यास 2-3 घंटे से लेते. That is because they are low on energy. The energy level is less. Next is picture smart or spatial. That is very good. They like recollection is very nice. Or even the visualization is good. They are very good with what they have seen, like roads, places, pictures, scenery. Very good at recollecting anything. Next, if I talk about is naturalist. कभी सड़क से जाते वक्त देखा होगा कि कोई एक इंसान खा रहा है, उसको रास्ते में जा रहा है तो कुत्ता उसे देख के भौंकता रहता है. बट कोई और जा रहा, कोई दूसरे तरह का अगर नेचुरलिस्ट किस्म का इंसान अगर रास्ते से जाता है ना, कुत्ता उसे देख के कभी नहीं भौंकेगा. It is because these people are nature lovers, either scenery or pets. That can be any kind of animals or anything. They are very much fond of scenery. अकेले कहीं घूमने चले जाएंगे just because of the place and the scenery. Next, if I talk is logical or mathematics and logic smart. Very good in calculations, but very doubt. सब पे डाउट करते रहते हैं. किसी पे जल्दी से यकीन नहीं करेंगे. भले अगर मेरा वो दोस्त भी है, मैं उसे कह दूँ फाइन, आई विल पे यू दिस काइंड ऑफ मनी, दिस मच मनी, यू गेट माई वर्क. नहीं, पर तू कैसे देगी? कैश देगी, चेक देगी, डीडी बनाएगी, कैसे करेगी, कब देगी, कितने बजे देगी?
You mean more analytical?
Exactly. Very much number smart. अरे तेरे पास अभी पैसे नहीं है तो परसों कहाँ से लाके देगी? Many questions. They keep on asking questions. छोटे बच्चों को भी देखा होगा. Keep on asking questions. या बड़े उम्र के लोग भी questions पूछते ही रहते हैं.
Mostly toddlers, yes.
Yeah, that is because their logic is too high. They keep on calculating with numbers. Next is word smart is that.
But all such people could be considered as good in maths.
Yeah.
Good in maths again depends your nurture. How much you have nurtured it. Basically, अगर आप कहो उसके मतलब कैसा होता है ना, the seed is there in you. अगर if the logic is too high, you have those seeds in you. Again it depends उसका आपने garden करा या grafting करा. आपके कुछ potential characteristics बचपन से थे, but आपने उसको कितना बढ़ावा दिया. ऐसा हो कि जिंदगी भर आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं. Your inclination would be there, surely. आपका inclination होगा उस subject के towards या उस चीज़ को लेके. But again depends आपने उसको कितना बढ़ावा दिया.
So this marking is also as would have been at a time of birth. This is by nature, not as nurture.
Not at all. But what you say, we are always comfortable with our nature. For example, instant अगर एक इंसान का nature है कि उसे बहुत गुस्सा आता है, but due to over काफी सालों के वजह से या उसके experience के वजह से, due to his job, family, whatever, he has calmed down.
So you got an instrument to
Yeah.
measure all this.
Yeah.
You require a lot of intelligence to use that instrument.
We have a different team of analysts and researchers and doctors who do that. We just take the fingerprints and stuff and give you the report.
Only one fingerprint, not
Nothing,
MRI.
nothing. Just fingerprints. It takes only 2 to 5 minutes, nothing else.
What is the reliability of this report?
I just come to that. Just 2 minutes. I finish this up. The last 2 and main intelligences which are there, those are intrapersonal and interpersonal. Intra is self-smart. Always think about yourself. कि अगर मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड के साथ जाना है घूमने, बट मेरा फ़ायदा क्या? मैं क्यों जाऊँ? मुझे जाके क्या मिलेगा? या am I comfortable traveling till there? अगर मुझे गाड़ी मिल गई उसके साथ जाने खाने वाने मिल रहा है तो मैं जाऊँगी, वरना उधर जाके सिर्फ मैं उसके लिए क्यों जाऊँ? Stubborn attitude, जिद्दी जो कहते हैं हम, एक नेचर होता है. गुस्सा जल्दी से आता है, ब्लेम्स कभी टूटते हैं नहीं देंगे. अरे ग्लास टूटा तो टूटा, तूने उस जगह रखा. These are the things. Now, this is the flip side. The good side is very high fighting spirit and self-determination. ऐसे लोगों को आप कह दो कि तुम सुबह 6 बजे उठ ही नहीं सकते और काम कर ही नहीं सकते. भले वो इंसान 6 बजे नहीं उठ सकता, and if he is high and intrapersonal, वो आपको 10 दिन के लिए उठ के दिखाएगा. भले उसके बाद वो पूरा दिन सो जाए. बट तुमने मुझे चैलेंज किया ना बॉस, मैं करके दिखाऊँ. This is the kind of, nature intrapersonal people have. The last one